Well, we have taken up exercise 4.3 and we are solving sum number 6. Let's read out the sum. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, find the sides. See, if we take the shorter side to be x, then the longer side becomes x plus 30 and the diagonal becomes x plus 60. Let's note them here. We have taken up shorter side x, the longer side x plus 30 and the diagonal x plus 60. Now, we know that this is a right angle. So, triangle BAD becomes a right angled triangle. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we take this BD square is equal to AD square plus AB square. How? By Pythagoras theorem. Or you may say BD square is the whole square of, see, BD is this and AD is x and AB is x plus 30. This should give us x square plus double of this 120 x plus 3600 is equal to x square plus x square plus 60x plus square of 30. This should give us x square minus x square minus x square. We have taken them this side plus 120x and this comes this side minus 60x. This is already this side. So this gives you 3600 and when you take this side, this will be minus 900 is equal to 0. So further this gives you minus x square. This subtracted from this will give you 60x and this subtracted from this will give you 2700 is equal to 0. Now we can do one thing, that is we can take this negative sign, take out this, okay, by multiplying both sides with minus 1 if you wish to. So that should give you x square minus 60x minus 2700 is equal to 0. Now you can either solve it by splitting the middle term or you may do it by the quadratic formula. Okay, so if you have to split this, the multiplication we have to get is 2700 and the difference of the two has to be 60. So those two factors may be 90 and 30. The difference of 90 and 30 gives you 60. And the multiplication of 90 and 30 gives you 2700. Therefore, you may write it x square minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700 is equal to 0. This gives you common x minus 90. From here you take out 30. This gives you x minus 90 is equal to 0. Therefore, you get x minus 90 into x plus 30 is equal to 0. Equating each factor with 0, we get x minus 90 is equal to 0 and x plus 30 is equal to 0. So this should give you x is equal to 90 and this should give you x is equal to minus 30. Now you must remember one thing, that x